You already know that Amazon.com has thousands of products that you can promote and make money with. But maybe you don't know how to sign up for the Amazon Associates program, the best products that you can sell to make the most amount of money, and how to promote those products in the easiest and fastest way. Well, I am going to show you all of that step by step right now. And also, if you stay to the end of this video, I am going to make this a template that you can straight up download that will make this a lot faster and easier for you. What's up guys? Welcome back to your favorite money making channel. This is the channel where we teach you how to hack your way to generating easy money. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to be updated whenever I upload new and trendy money making videos. Also, smash that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions, ideas, or suggestions. Now let me show you the hack to making money. So I will tell you the pros and cons of Amazon affiliate marketing, as well as what everybody is wondering. What is the fastest and easiest way to make money on Amazon affiliate marketing for beginners in 2021? That is why I am gonna share all of my knowledge here with you today, so you can basically just copy what I am gonna show you right now and you can start making money with this. But we are gonna start on the basic level here with step number 1, which is to make the Amazon Associates account. So all you need to do is search on Amazon Associates on Google right here and then click on Amazon Associates Central. It is very simple. Just sign up, recommend, and earn. All you need to do is just sign up right here. Your name, email, and password, and create your Amazon account. If you have an Amazon account, you can use the Amazon account you already have. Then go to your email and copy the OTP or one-time password. Enter the OTP and create your Amazon account. Now you need to enter your account information. You already know how to do this. Click next, and in order to join, you actually need at least one website or mobile app. But if you have an Instagram account or you have a YouTube channel, you can put that in the link right here. Once you have finished with your profile, you can now start using Amazon Associates. Now that you are inside, you can promote any product on Amazon and make a commission for it. All you need to do is click right here, search for a keyword, and we are gonna search for TV right here. You can see all these different TVs, and all we need to do is click on Get Link. You want to click on text only and then click on a short link. If anybody clicks on this link, they will end up on this page right here. Now once they land on this page, they will get a sticky cookie for 24 hours. That means that you are not only gonna get a commission for this product right here. If they add a different product, you will also get a commission for that, and from my experience, I make about 30 to 40% of my commissions, not from specifically the items I suggest, but from other things that they add to the cart. So that is about 30 to 40% more than what you actually worked for. Now you might be asking, how much of a percentage am I going to get if I sell this TV? Well, look at these fixed standard commissions rates right here. So if you check out this rate, you will see that televisions and digital video games are only 2%, while luxury beauty, luxury stores beauty, and Amazon coins are 10%. And this is the con with Amazon affiliate marketing in my opinion. Yes, there is a ton of products, and yes, it is like the easiest sell because Amazon has a lot of trust, but physical items have a way lower commission percentage compared to digital products. And digital products could, for example, be software, email marketing, CRM systems that people pay monthly for, and with that, you can get anywhere from 40% all the way up to 75%, where the maximum here on Amazon is about 5%. So that means if you want to sell this TV right here and make $100 per day, and you make 2% affiliate commission, so that is $188 divided by 2%, which is equal to 3.76. And 100 divided by 3.76 means that you have to sell 27 TVs just like this one in order to make $100 a day. And 27 TVs is quite a lot. So, a quick tip for you is to go either mass volume or higher ticket items. Now you might be wondering, how am I gonna get my affiliate link out there? You might have heard about people starting a blog, making a review video, or even a comparison video, or even just make a YouTube channel and put all the links down in the description. But my number one recommendation is to make a top 5 or top 10 product review channel. And you don't have to show your face. You don't even have to talk into the microphone in order to do this. And now, I will even give you a template that you can copy that will make this a lot faster for you. If you guys are enjoying this video, take a quick pause and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. This helps me create new money hacking videos for you guys. Now, let us get back to the video. Let me show you an example of a channel right here that is absolutely amazing. I have a secret here. This channel is called 10 Best Ones, and as you can see, top 5 videos about almost anything. And as you can see, they are receiving hundreds and thousands of views. But not only that, look at this. I can keep scrolling on for days and they are receiving thousands and thousands of views for all of these videos. And do you want to know a secret? Well, this channel started with a robot voice. Yep, that is right, a robot voice. And you don't have to buy the products. You don't even have to own it in order to make videos like this. For example, look at this video. You can see that it is just really easy pictures with some facts and some images that are just scrolling. Maybe a few footages of like the advertisement and with a voiceover in the background talking about these facts and all of that, which is so simple. Go watch one of the videos to see how to make this. And the best part, if you click to show more in the description, you can see that they have all the links of the products for different countries. So everybody from different countries can go and sign up. So all you need to do is go to Amazon.com, search for a product, and then all you need to do is just open this one in a new tab. This one in a new tab, this one in a new tab, and all the top 5 or 10, and then you would go into these and you can just take all the information right here and pick out the most important information. Write it out in your own words, then find some easy slideshow videos and images from this that you can just zoom back and forth, and that is it. It is that simple. You can easily do this when you are gonna start making your Amazon Associates YouTube channel. And that's it. You can now start earning money easily from your home. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and leave a like on this video. And I'll see you next time.